Hi, my name is Peter and welcome to the DIY kitchen where we cook easy meals for busy people. Today we're going to make anything we find in the fridge. This has got no recipe. What we do at the end of the week, whatever's left in there, we make this delicious stew. Okay, this morning I raided the fridge and this is what I found. I make this about once every couple of weeks, use up everything in the fridge, and then there's no waste. Right, first thing I do, pull a flame under a pot, put some oil in. Okay, here's some onions and some peppers that I had. Throw those in. Grab a spoon, throw those up, start to sweat those. Put a little minced garlic in there. Yeah, a little bit more. Beautiful. Good, sweat those for a little bit. And add the mushrooms. All right, at this point, in goes the tomatoes. Found a can of crushed tomatoes in the back of the cupboard. Whatever you got in the fridge, kind of throw it in. I found some cooked rice. We're going to throw that in as well. This is a great way of getting more space in your fridge. Okay, here's a little Italian seasoning. Good. All right. Next stage, let's put in the lentils. If you're not into lentils, try them. This really makes the dish special. It is kind of the secret ingredient to this. I think lentils are just for vegetarians. They're not. They are an amazing pulse. And they will swell up and soak up some of this lovely juice. All right, next stage, celery. Found this in the back. As you can see, not doing anything special, big kind of chunks. Carrots. Everyone has carrots in their fridge, right? In the back. Good. Potatoes. Okay, looks good, right? Okay, next stage. Vegetable stock or chicken stock, whichever takes your fancy. Good. Right, what we want to do is bring this up to the boil, turn it down, simmer for about 30 minutes on low heat. Okay, I'll see you back soon. Okay, we are back. Let's take a look. It's been about 30 minutes, 35 minutes. Look at that, beautiful. Just cook it up a little bit more. Right, what else have I found in the fridge? Kale. Now I'm putting this in last because I want to still have some crunch in the kale. And it will cook down to pretty much nothing. Soak that in. Beautiful. Smells amazing. This is a great way of getting vegetables into the kids. Right, what else? I found a little bit of rice in the back. Just throw that in as well. Really nothing you can't put in here. I think we're going to call this Raid the Fridge Stew. See, the kale's already whittled down. And if there's some stalks in there, a little hard, that's good. We want some texture. Okay. Looks great. Right, let's serve it up. That beautiful hearty stew. It's really cost kind of nothing, right? Okay, what we need to do, serve it with some Parmesan cheese. Good. There we go. The simplest, easiest meal you'll ever do. Throw everything in it that you want. It's cheap and it's cheerful and it's tasty. Right, next week we do something completely different. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye.